In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel your Midjourney subscription. So the process is really simple and straightforward, so let's get right into it. First thing first, launch your Discord and just go to any text channel that the Midjourney is added. Come here and just type slash and subscription or subscribe. Hit enter. It's going to bring up this button. Once you click on this button, it's going to direct us to this page. Here you're gonna see your minute subscription and bunch of stuff. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on billing and invoice details button right here. As you click on that, it's gonna take us to here Stripe page. Here you're gonna see the cancel plan button right here. Once you click on that, like this, and then we have to hit cancel plan again. And after that, in a couple seconds, as you guys can see, subscription has been cancelled. So you can just leave a feedback here. If you don't want, you can just simply click on no thanks button right here, and then it's done. That's how you cancel your Midjourney subscription. Like and subscribe if you guys found this video helpful.